Hey Gavin.
Hey Leah.
Wow, this doesn't look like our usual backdrop.
But
wow.
why would
Are
we
you
be in
looking
the
around here?
bathroom? Why would we be in the bathroom?
We're dying. Because we're dying Gavin's hair and we're in the bathroom. So we have the beat bowl.
Leah's forcing me to dye my hair.
It's not true. Gavin was like, woke up one morning and was like, oh my god, I'm a
Okay,
brunette. Blondes have more fun. Yeah, I pitched the idea and Gavin was like, holy smokes, yeah. So this is Be Blonde by Jerome Russell. So this is the Platinum Blonding Kit. What comes in the kit is this little 40 volume, which we know Brad and Mondo were supposed to be using 30 volume, but this is the strongest and it was the only one they had in. We also have, oh that's just a fucking shampoo. This is the bleaching powder, which is scary. Like we don't know what that is. Then we have a toner. Yeah. Let's get bleaching.
I'm so scared. My hair is dark and every video I watch they have to bleach it like 3 times and we only have enough for one, we think. So let's see how yellow I get.
We have to always wear protective gloves. And the powder, okay, put the powder and the bleach sachet into the fucking mixing tray. Like this is not that complicated. So we put this in here and now we're just gonna empty this in here. That's like the bleach powder and then this is the 40 volume, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, this is actually, James was fucking right. This is a pretty color.
James Charles, that is everyone.
Before.
It's greasy because Brad Mondo, Leah's inspiration, like said.
Keep your hair greasy, don't wash it because then your scalp burns when you put grease on it.
If you keep it greasy,
Bleach.
it protects
Bleach.
your scalp from the bleach, so that's why it's so nasty.
We're gonna put these on the ends of his hair, like not on the roots, just everywhere but his roots. Where do I start? Where do I start here?
Getting started at the front.
I think start at the front, so I'm just gonna get out of the back. Did you say James? Start at the front. Well, that's on your skin. Wow, okay. Oh, you know what? That's looking good. Oh shit!
Leah.
I don't know what to do with that now though. Oh, ladies, we're doing good. Okay, come on, Leah. Come on, power to the woman, bitch. Yeah, the heat off your scalp makes the roots go faster.
I'm trying to be ahead.
It's so much on your forehead.
Yeah, I can feel it.
It's fine, it's fine. You know what, I'm doing a fucking splendid job. I'm actually doing a great job here, I don't care. See, I think I did the wrong thing by doing at the front.
Okay.
James Charles. You see, it's lightning already, which I think is good.
Do you ever think about how, like, my hair at the moment, if a blonde-haired girl, if you just cut it to my hair, I don't know where I'm going with this. If a blonde-haired girl with brown roots cut her hair, the top of her head to my hair length, it could be all brown.
That is pretty cool.
So, like, do I just have roots, or do I just have shorter hair? I hope the video can hear me, because I'm spitting some facts right now.
He's spitting some knowledge.
Flares?
I'm literally...
Flares?
These aren't flares. I'm wearing
What? Is that not, like, the whole top of my head done?
yeah.
Lit.
Alright, so we are, after applying it everywhere, I tried to get as, I tried to literally, like, honestly, I think I did a pretty good job. It's lightening so fast. I am proud of myself, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, look at that. That's a blonde boy.
So I'm just chilling with my hairnet on. We'll update you in a little bit.
So Mr. Gavin is gonna wash his hair. It's yellow galore, but that's okay.
So Naruto entered the building. Oh my god. That's the yellowest I've seen in any video.
You know what? I kind of looks cool. We're going to get more bleach now. Sides? Not too bad. Not too bad. Front, top. Yeah, a little bad.
I look like Naruto.
Shadow Clone Jutsu.
My hair's dry now and it's still very yellow, but slightly less yellow. So we're doing a second round of bleach, baby. Whoop whoop. Bleach round 2 is in. Leah, do you need to spit any facts or are we good? Oh, for fuck's sake. Time to rinse the second bleach. Second bleach is done and it's still very yellow.
That's okay though. We're gonna tone and hope for the best.
But we hope that the toner will help get most of that yellow out. We got a silver toner, so hopefully I'll have like a platinum blonde.
It's probably isn't the greatest technique, but
Like this, it looks good. Look at that. What if this makes? Wait.
I'm spelling it. Sorry.
Now we're purple. I'm informed, not blue. Well, the toner is done, so now I have to wash it out.
So Gavin's hair is a little bit purple, but also kind of cool. Let it dry and see how it looks, and also he's gonna wash it tomorrow and see how it looks after that.
It's now like 1 a.m, which is why I'm not doing it now.
Hi ladies and gents.
This is 2 days later. Is it 2 days?
Yeah.
This is basically the final result for now. Yeah, I'll probably bleach it again in like a week or two when the toner runs out. And then we'll see from there. Thanks for watching our hair vlog. Sorry about Mondo.
Bye.
Bye.